Through this video, I'm using pen for demonstration purposes only. This is to ensure that you can see all lines in which I'm creating when marking out. Pen is not used when marking wood, as it stains the wood as the ink from the pen get absorbed from the fibre of the wood. I'm only using the pen for demonstration purposes only so that you can see it, and pencil is always used when marking out. Why do we use the stock of face side and face edge? As found with the tri-square, face side and face edge indicates the perfect datum edges which create 90 degrees to one another. This ensures when marking out that all lines are perfectly parallel as long as the two sides are perfect to 90 degrees to one another. Here I am creating a parallel line to the surface from face edge of 10 millimeters. I create a dot as previously talked about in the video, and putting pressure down on the piece, also previously talked about in the video. I am going to square the lines around, always using face side and face edge as my datum edges, in which I use my stock off of. This is very important to produce an accurate marking all the way around our piece. It is important to remember that I'm only using pen for demonstration purposes only, as the ink of the pen absorbs into the fibres of the wood and stains the wood also, and is very hard to remove when it comes to finishing. This is why we always use pencil when marking out. So just to highlight again, pen is just used for demonstration purposes only here. Remember always to create a dot at the bottom of your line and scribe down. This produces the line marking out perfectly parallel to the surface in which we used. Here now I'm marking 30 millimeters down parallel from our face edge. This is a distance from 30 millimeters from the face edge to our marked out line. Face edge is our datum edge in which we always take our measurements off of. It is important to turn the piece to provide enough movement for you to create accurate lines all the way around the piece, as shown in the video. Once again, ensure that you're using the stock off face side and face edge, and remember to put in the dot at the bottom of our marking to pierce the fibres to ensure that you don't follow through with the spur down into the piece of material. Shown here are the squared lines all the way around of 10 mm and 30 mm. See how all the lines are perfectly parallel to one another.